Speech recognition and synthesis technologies are constantly improving. Voice robots are already taking over most of the routine tasks of call centers, and AI cannot only understand human speech and recognize emotions but also maintain conversation. Now it can be very difficult to distinguish a robot from a human when talking on the phone. Speech synthesis, or text-to-speech, is a text-to-speech technology. It's a computer simulation of human speech from a text representation using machine learning techniques. Typically, speech synthesis is used by developers to create voice robots such as IVR. Speech synthesis saves time and money for the businesses because it generates sounds automatically and saves the company from manual recording and re-recording of audio files. Thanks to speech synthesis, you can read any text with a voice as similar to a natural one as possible. To make the synthesis speech natural, you need to refine its timbre, smoothness of sounds, accents and pauses, intonation and other areas. How does text-to-speech work? To convert text to voice, the system must go through 3 steps. First of all, a special algorithm must prepare the text and convert it into readable format. The problem is that in addition to words, the original text contains number, abbreviations and dates. Such components need to be decoded and written in words. The algorithm then divides the text into individual phrases, which the system will then read with an appropriate intonation. To do this, the robot is guided by punctuation and stable constructions in the text when creating the phrases. After the algorithm has broken down the text into phrases, it needs to perform phonetic transcribing. Each sentence can be pronounced differently depending on the meaning and emotional coloring of the text. Moreover, even a single word can be read in different ways. The system uses built-in dictionaries to figure it out how each word is pronounced and where to put the accent. If the desired word is not at them, the computer builds a transcription by itself using academic rules. If that doesn't work either, the algorithm relies on the speaker's notes and determines which parts of the word there were accent on. To read a prepared text, the system uses an acoustic model. It makes the connections between phonemes and sounds, giving them the right intonation thanks to machine learning. To say something, the robot uses a sound wave generator, which is loaded with all the data about the frequency characteristic of phrases obtained from the acoustic model. Speech synthesis is now being actively implemented in business and completely different areas. The creation of voice assistants such as Siri has become popular. Speech synthesis can be used to voice books, SMS, documents and websites, which make it easier to automate the content creation process for people who have reading and writing problems, or for those who are not comfortable reading text at the moment and are willing to listen to the information they need. Speech synthesis can be used to automate mass hiring. You can use voice to conduct interviews and select candidates. And let us in the comments, where would you use text-to-speech technology in your everyday life? Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive more helpful information, just check it out on brutalab.com.